Instagram microblogging for maximum reach. Did you know that you could use Instagram posts as microblogs that can work as backlinks and as SEO boosters? That's right. And we're here to show you what strategies you need to apply in your post to use them as your own optimization boosting platform. Captions. Captions are the descriptions that you can add to your photos or videos, right on the Write a Caption field. The first rule about microblogging captions is that they have to be descriptive, brief, and simple. Instagram allows you to post over 2,000 characters in your captions, but the trick here is to not go over the 250 word mark. In fact, keeping it under 150 and 140 words is the ideal target. The idea is to use this brief caption for keywords relevant to your industry. If you need to add a web address, make sure to shorten it using a web service such as Bitly. Hashtags. No Instagram caption would be complete without hashtags. Hashtags are labels that help social media users to find specific information relevant to a keyword or string of keywords. We're going to use hashtags as a marketing tool and as an advantage. You can add hashtags to your captions by typing a hash character or numeral sign followed by the word, phrase, or string of keywords that you intend your leads to target. The maximum and minimum number of hashtags that you should include in your posts is 11. This is a powerful way to attract followers because users can find your products or promotions just by typing a particular keyword or by looking for a certain combination of keywords combined as a hashtag. For example, you can use the healthcare, eating healthy, and fresh hashtags in your caption to make your post to appear among results for people targeting those keywords. Our final recommendation when it comes to hashtags is to create them as strings of keywords, as opposed to single keywords, because single keywords can yield too many results. Tags. Tagging others on your posts is a great strategy that will help you to reach the followers of the people or businesses that you tag, all by simply tapping on Tag People to look for someone to be featured on your post. This works because comments, likes, and other activities by accounts tagged on your posts can be viewed by the people following them. Each time that you tag a user, he or she is notified, and this can thus make them feel more pleased, more identified, and more engaged with your brand, letting others know how a great brand you are for engaging with them. Geotags. Adding a location to your post by tapping on Add Location and selecting a location on the map is a great way to reach people in very specific locations, as geotags will be shown on your post images and they will be shown to people in that location and to people near that location as Instagram recommendations if those users use the search feature to find content. Apply these microblogging strategies in your daily Instagram posts and see how your performance as well as your reach increases in record time.